Value. What is it? The relative degree of lightness or darkness of a particular color. Every color has its own light and dark variations. Unity. What is it? The wholeness or completeness of a picture. Unity is often achieved by repeating the same elements, whether that be colors, shapes, lines, or something else. In this example, both the shape pattern and the colors are repeated. This creates unity. In this example, unity is created because all of the shapes are the same size. They also all have the same color groups. Variety. What is it? Using different sizes, colors, and shapes in your art to create visual diversity. This piece of art shows variety because the colors don't repeat regularly. They all appear in random locations within each set of the design. This piece of art shows variety because the shapes are all different sizes and turned at different angles. It also shows unity because the color schemes are repeated as well as the shapes. Your mission is to create art that shows value, unity, and variety. Here is an example of what your project could look like. Each arrow is a different value of the color orange. Notice that when orange is mixed with black, it looks brown, and when orange is mixed with white, it looks more like a tan color. This project shows unity because of the repetition of both the arrows and the color orange, as well as variety in the different sizes and angles of the different arrows. This piece of art shows a variety of shapes. Unity is created because all of the shapes are yellow, while some are light yellow values and some are dark yellow values. You may notice that when yellow is mixed with black, it looks kind of like an olive green color.